Hi there, this is Miss Kathy from Tuneful Teaching. I have paired up with Bear Paw Creek and I'm excited to show you this new kit called the Sound It Out Literacy Kit. You can get it with or without the drawstring bag. I personally love the bags for staying organized, but this is what it sounds like. Lots of fun stuff in there. What you get is a dry erase board that has a marker with it, and you also get 3 magnets that will come in 3 different colors. And then you have 6 instruments. We will have 2 canary sticks, 2 jingle bells, and 2 chiquita maracas. You'll also be getting a digital resource guide with some YouTube training videos, which I'm going to show you next. Okay, so this is the digital resource that comes with the Sound It Out Literacy Kit. You have a table of contents, and there will be a code there for the video training when I'm done making this. Just a little information about the creators, some frequently asked questions about phonological awareness and phonemic awareness, and a summary of the developmental continuum. And the training video will go into that in a little bit more detail. And then some really important information for modeling appropriate letter sounds, followed by how to use Elkonin Sound Boxes. More information on that, ways that you can adapt it for multiple levels. And then you have some songs. You have first, middle, last, and then 2 versions of Listen for the Sounds, Move the Magnet song, What Have You Heard, Sound It Out, Sound Boxes. Following that, we have just a template that's kind of optional you can use for making a permanent set of sound boxes on the dry erase board, which will be explained in more detail in the video. And you have printable pictures for the instruments that come with the kit. And then just some more information. So there's a little sneak peek into what you get with the Sound It Out Literacy Kit, and I hope it's something that will really help you in your work.